Today we're going to be working on factoring, and there's different methods to factoring, but today we're going to be focusing on grouping. In grouping, you split it in two. You'll notice there has to be 4 terms in each one, and then you split it in two. You find the GCF within the first group, which happens to be y, and the reason why it's y is because you divide, they both have y in common, and you divide each term by y, or their greatest common factor. And then what's left, we have r plus k. So we put that in a set of parentheses. So r plus k. All right, fabulous. Now, we move on to the next group, next 2 terms, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to look for that GCF, which in this case is b. So we divide each term by their GCF, which is b. Those cancel, bring b out, positive b, and then we're left with r plus k. Now, with this, both two, they have the greatest common factor now of r plus k, correct? Okay, and what's left over is y plus b. So, how we do that is we bring r plus k, their GCF, out into a set of parentheses, and then we divide each 2 terms by their greatest common factor, which is r plus k. I like to line it up this way, it's easier to just cancel. Okay, now in another set of parentheses, you're going to put what's left over, which is y plus b. And that is factor by grouping. And then we're going to go ahead and check it, because that's what the smart thing to do is, to make sure you have done your group factoring correctly. Okay, so over here, we're going to do the checked work. Now when you check your work, you should go back to, you should have it back to the original equation, or yeah, equation, expression, whatever you happen to be doing. Okay, so r plus k times y plus b. Okay, we're going to FOIL. I'm going to write that right here, just in case. Okay. When you FOIL, it's also double distributive because you're distributing twice. So, r times y equals ry. You can also write it yr, but we'll get back to that in a second. And then you go ahead and do r times b, which is, well, positive b, so that becomes rb. Then you go ahead and distribute the k to positive ky. And then you distribute it again to the b, and you get positive kb. Now, the way it's written over here is yr and yk. So we're going to go ahead and rearrange it because it's multiplication, so it's commutative and another one that I can't think of the word, but something. But anyway, so we have yr plus yk plus br plus bk. Yr plus yk, and then br plus bk. So, checks out. 100% amazing. Okay, thank you.